Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I got a new subscription box. It is called Fab Fit Fun. If you guys don't know what Fab Fit Fun is, it is a seasonal box. So basically they make 4 boxes a year and you can customize your boxes, which I absolutely love. I'm brand new to it, so this is going to be my first unboxing. Of course, I paid for it myself, so I am unbiased. I'm going to give nothing but an honest review, so if you want to see what's in my box, then keep on watching. Alright, so as you can see, some parts of my box have been a little bit beat up. It did take some time to ship, but let's hope everything inside the box is intact. So we're going to go ahead and open her up, and this is how the box looks. You get a nice little Fab Fit Fun magazine, and I think this is where you get the cost of all the items that you get. It's kind of cool that it's like a little, you know, magazine. Like for example, I have that one in here, and I know because I customized my box a little bit, like I mentioned before. Got some info on the Generation Play. So I'm not going to really get into this, but this is a really cool addition. I like how it's a magazine, so I can put this, I don't know, in the restroom or maybe at the salon later. So that's that. It's really packaged very nicely, so I'm going to open up each and every item and show you guys what I got. Alrighty, and just in case you guys are wondering what's on my eyes, I'm wearing the Morphe Live in Color palette. And all proceeds go to the Trevor Project, so it supports the LGBTQ community. So I have a bunch of these on my eyes. I went in with 1, 2, and 3/4. So I went in with 4 colors. So if you want to see how I make this look, just comment down below and I'll make a video next time. So that's that. Let's go ahead and get into my Fab Fit Fun. Alright. So they were nice enough to give a little coupon off your first Fab Fit Fun box. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this, I don't care who takes this, but this is a coupon for first Fab Fit Fun box. You get $10 off. You guys can go ahead and use this coupon. And so the first thing I'm pulling out is a Hoola. It is a makeup setting spray and it has SPF. It is SPF 30. It says that right on the box. And I'm going to go ahead and open this box up. And this is great for summertime especially, because even though you're wearing makeup, you always want to be taking good care of your skin and make sure that your skin routine has some form of sun protection. So this is what the bottle looks like. I'm going to go ahead and spray. Doesn't really have, not really a bothersome smell, kind of herbally if I had to describe it. So let's go ahead and put the next item. This is the one that I was very excited for, especially it being summer. I got a towel that's shaped like a lotus, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous in the photos. Woo! So that's, I'm going to go ahead and step back. So as you can see, it's shaped like a lotus flower. It's really pretty, and it's like a soft blanketing material, so that is good. I'm going to go ahead and put that off to the side. Ooh, yay! So like I mentioned before, I got the silicone wine cup, and it comes in this cute little bag. And oh, we tied it up real good. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up, and you get 2 silicone cups. And it's great for if you're by poolside or whatever. I believe that these are dishwasher safe. They should be. And they have a little clear on the bottom. So that's cute. I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff in here now. Got all this little styrofoam on my boobs now. So that's that. Like I mentioned before, we got the Generation Clay mask. It brightening purple clay mask. I don't really like using clay masks because it takes some time to clean up. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in my giveaway. We have another setting spray by Grace and Stella. It's the Rose Day setting spray. Go ahead and get the pin and open that up. Ah, come on. These things so hard to open. And I saw a picture of this one, guys, so I'm super excited because it looks really pretty. And of course, I'm a monster at opening boxes, so that's that. And I really like Rose setting sprays. My mom usually gets not too in your face, very refreshing. It doesn't spray like a stream, it sprays really nicely. So I'm really excited to keep this in my collection. And what else is there? Ooh, this one's a little open. Okay, so so this is a exfoliating foot mask. You need this on for 8 to 12 hours. It's supposed to soften feet. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the giveaway just because I could just go to my family salon whenever I want to get my feet done, but I feel like this is something good for you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the giveaway as well. And I have one mystery item that I'm not. Ooh! So, one mystery item that comes in a little question mark and a little bag like this. It is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. So I have a bunch of primer as well. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaway. So the last item that I want to open, and I'm really hoping to God that it isn't great or anything, is a 3-piece bowl set. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Look at all this crazy styrofoam in here. God, this wrap is like crazy, but I guess that's good because I don't want my bowls breaking. So it comes in like that. It has a cool pattern, a very cool, nice indigo dye. I'm gonna go ahead and take out each bowl and show you guys it up close. So starting off with a tiny bowl. It looks like that. Absolutely cute. But can't help it. And this is the medium bowl. A nice more intricate line. Beautiful on the inside. And I'm gonna of course use this for food related stuff. I'm not really gonna go ahead and use that for makeup, but I think it's too gorgeous to just sit around in the room. So this is the biggest bowl, and I love this one more than anything. Very intricate and nice. So that is it for my FabFit Fun box, guys. I hope you like this content. I'm trying to film a little bit more in between my Boxy Lux boxes, my Boxy Charm boxes, and other stuff that's coming in. And I'm excited because I literally just ordered the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. So hopefully it'll be in the next couple of days. I'm going to do a review on that. I managed to get some of the items before it sold out. So if you guys are looking for the Jeffree Star Cosmetic Jawbreaker, grab one while you can. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I'm going to also show... So these 3 additional items are put into the giveaway. If you want to see what is in the giveaway already, then make sure you look at my previous video where I open up the vault and show you guys what's going in. Like and subscribe down below in order to be part of my channel. Hit the little notification bell for more video content, and make sure you're hitting that notification bell because you never know what I'm adding more into the giveaway. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay guys, so here are the items that I recently just added into the giveaway. We got the exfoliating foot mask, the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, the Generation Clay Mud Mask. I actually put a sleep mask in here, that'll be in a later video, and all the stuff that was in here before. So make sure you guys are following me on my social media handles, that way I have a way to DM you. But the giveaway is just going to keep on growing, guys.